This is it. It came. My Black Rifle Coffee Company canned coffee. First time trying it here in New York City. Let's give it a try. Matt Best and CEO, thank you guys for putting out an amazing looking product. I have yet to try it, but your amazing marketing skills totally convinced me to give this a try. Not only did I buy one case, I bought two. Now let's open up this bad boy here. Where's my knife? Totally New York compliant. Yeah. What we got? 12 cans. There's two flavors that they have. Not exactly sure. Hard to do this one-handed. Oh, too strong. Gotta grab. Well, grabbed a can. There we go. Good enough. That's all we need. The flavor we got is espresso with cream. There you have it. Now let's try the first taste here. This bad boy down here. God, that's a beautiful looking can. You guys did great. A little bit of carbonation, looks like. All right, here we go. First sip ever, Black Rifle coffee. Oh, that's good. That's good. It's sweet, but not too sweet. Subtle. It's more than subtle sweetness. Not over the top. It tastes like coffee. Oh yeah. Oh, it gets better as you go down the can. Great coffee. Good job, guys. I'm gonna be taking this to work with me. I'll give away a can or two.